structural diversity. If you have so many types of structures in your speaking and in your writing, obviously you are a man of action. Today, 4 structures are being represented in front of you. In the book, in the predicals, the structures are given. The fact is that the structures need to be felt. The structures need to be practiced. For your understanding, the structures have been made similar. In a book, the structures have been represented in different way, but today same language has been chosen for your understanding. You are watching, there are 4 structures. Structures are becoming deep as the structures are going down. The first structures, if you work hard, you get money. Simple talk. And both are present form. These structures and these structures have similarity. If you work hard, you will get money. This is present simple and that is future simple. But both are light talk. So the first one, if you work hard, you get money. If you work hard, you will get money. These are the same, but the next one is different. The third and fourth one are becoming deeper. If you work hard, in past, if you work hard, আগে যদি তুমি কাজ করেছিলে, you would get money. What is the exact meaning of would? Would is habitual factor, conditional factors, politeness. Would has many types of utilization. But the difference, you get money, you would get money. You get money, তুমি পাও, and you would get money, you naturally get. That becomes rules. So if you worked hard, if you perform better, you would get money that is more stronger than the previous one. Okay, the sentences are becoming stronger from the upper to the lower. If you had worked hard, you would have got money. This sentence has a sense of performance. You understand? There is a matter of repentance, there is a matter of condition. Obviously all are conditioned, but there is a more attractive, more frustrating. If you had performed, you would have completed. Both are matter of performance. So the first one, simple talk. If you would come, you would get. If you work hard, you will get. Both are simple. But from here, the structures are getting stronger, heavier in meaning. So this is fast, but this one is habitual. This one is more fast. I would tell past participle mean more fast, and you would have got, this is matter of sense, you would have performed, করে থাকবে, করা হয়ে থাকবে. So if you had worked hard, if you had performed, you would have completed. There is a both has sense of performance. You may raise question, you just understand, you just memorize. No. The structures will be perpetual and permanent in your brain when structures are practiced, structures are felt. So I would request that change the word and practice more. Give in the comment box. I am bound to give your answer. Thank you.